Jatend migawo mar arita kwe Kipchumba Murkomen kod tend obila ma pachoka owacho ni apisa manyo okwalo nyamburko e tesend obila ma Maseno e kaunti ma Kisumu ibiro maknegi bura kendo teng' lwetgi mogo. Murkomen kaloso kod ute fwambo Mandera okoni okang' ma kamano biro duoko chien okenge mobila moko donjore godo kod njore ka gitiyo tijegi. Magi timore ka nyoro bende maromo obila 11 nyomaki kitudo kod njore mopogore opogore e kaunti ma Kisumu gi Kiambu. Nonro ewi nyamburko mar johala mane okwal Machakos kendo yudore e tesend obila ma Maseno kapok ochako olal kendo nonro no dhi nyime.
We have some very good police officers. However, like every other society, we also have a few who have got problems. For example, the case that you have just mentioned on a vehicle having been recovered and then stolen from a police station. And the DCI has said we have already arrested 8 police officers who are connected to that criminal offense, and the investigations are ongoing. For the case, for the Kiambu case that have also been referred here, we have already arrested 3 police officers and handed over that case to the Independent Policing Oversight Authority so that they can be able to carry out an in-depth investigation into that. That is how open we are.
As regards the Maseno matter, we have already identified the officers involved in the theft of that exhibit vehicle, and this morning we were in discussion with ODPP so that the officers can be prosecuted for that offense.
Oganda jo Kenya ok mor gi riwruok manie kind duond bura mar UDA gi ODM e sirkal manywanda mar Broad Based ka giwacho ni chenro no